I'm going to factor this trinomial. So the first thing we want to do is write the problem down. X squared plus 8x plus 12. We're going to make a table, a diamond, and a box. We're going to multiply A times C. So A is 1 and C is 12. So A times C is 12. So our factors of 12 are 1 times 12, 2 times, so 12 divided by 2 is 6, 3, 12 divided by 3 is 4. Now we're going to fill out our diamond. In the top of our diamond, we're going to write A times C, and A times C is 1 times 12, which is 12. And B goes in the bottom of our diamond, and that is a positive 8. Now, what times what multiplies together to get 12, but when added or subtracted gives us 8. So 1 and 12 doesn't work because when we add 1 and 12, 1 plus 12 is 13. And if we were to subtract them, that would be 11. That doesn't give us 8. So 1 and 12 doesn't work. 6 and 2. If we add 6 plus 2, that gives us 8. There it is. 6 plus 2 is 8. So we're going to put a 6 and a 2. The order of that does not matter. Now we're going to fill in our box. In the top left-hand corner of our box, we're going to put the x squared. I'm going to put x squared in the top left-hand corner. In the bottom right-hand corner, we're going to write our positive 12. Then we're going to take our two factors and we're going to write them in our boxes, but we're going to put x's after them. So we have a 6x and we have a 2x. Now let's find our GCFs of each row and each column. So what times what gives us x squared? Let's start there. X times x. X times x gives us x squared. Now start thinking, what number times x gives us 6x? I'm going to put that above our 6x. So x times 6 gives us 6x. And if you also look, 6x and 12, 6 is the GCF of that. Now our bottom left corner is our 2x and our 12. So we can think GCF, 2x and 12, or 2 is the GCF, or you can think of what number times x gives us 2x, and that's 2. So when we factor this, our answer is going to be written as x plus 6 times x plus 2. Those are our factors.